Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13 stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the.
But in the meantime, this is. Guys, I have no hammer, so this is what I'm gonna use. I love this thing so much that if I decide to ruin it, I'm just gonna cry. But I need to put on up the frames as well, and I need to be creative about it because, as we know, life is expensive. I'm not gonna afford to get fully. Guys, I ruined it. I thought this was an actual stone. This is a nail. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I'm not doing that again. Oh shit, man. What am I gonna use? Damn it! Oh, god damn it. I didn't have nothing else to use, honestly speaking. Can we use this? Can this do the job? Let's try. Let's try and see. Let's try and see. Okay, it's not steady, and I really don't want to ruin my picture, but this is the damage. Yep, I really don't mind damaging this because I'm not using it that much. But then again, it's not that strong. Ah, my god. God damn it, god damn it, god damn it. Let's give it a try. Woo! this point I give up. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. I got something. I don't know if I want to tell you yet. I'm so excited, it's insane. Also, I was supposed to go and see a dentist today. She kind of canceled my appointment. She had other errands going on, so I had already taken an off day, and now I need to figure out how I'm gonna use the off day because now I'm not going to work again. So I need to go to Carrefour. I've called for an Uber. My Uber guy is coming, and we go to Carrefour, pick the stuff. It's a very nice purchase, a very big purchase. You're gonna be proud of me for sure. And then we come back with the same guy. My problem is how I'm gonna get that item in this house. That's really my biggest challenge. Child, I don't know why these people just couldn't deliver. I just don't know why. It's stressing me out. It's stressing me out. They're making me use more money and I don't have the money. Honestly, at this point, I am BROKE. I'm actually dressed to go out. Outfit to go to Carrefour. My outfit, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's what's up. On my way back, I'm gonna carry a stone because I need to drill that hole. Yeah, I'm gonna use a stone. Ain't no way I'm buying a hammer. Yeah? Oh no, I don't have. I was like, I wanna mount the picture. I just feel like I need to put something there. Anyway, my Uber guy is here. I'll talk to you guys when I come back. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, by the way, my name is Sharon. Forgive my manners. Forgive my manners. My name is Sharon. My friends call me Big Sha. My channel is called Big Sha. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for 500 subscribers. By the way, the only thing that is keeping me from getting monetized is the watch hours. So, guys, just watch the videos. I already hit the subscribers limit. You know, this side we're working hard. We are working hard. So I already hit the subscriber limit section. Now we are on the watch hours. Please watch my videos. Please watch my videos. Fungua tu simu hata kama uone wewe, fungua tu simu as long as it's playing. Just watch, you know, so we can get monetized. So we can start, you know, getting some coins from this app. So our effort does not go to waste. I'm sure you like my content. I know you love it. I see you're liking and sharing and vibing with your friends. Thank you once again. My Uber guy is here. I'm keeping him waiting. So I'll see you guys at Sarit, or I'll see you guys when I get back home. So we get to see the surprise. You know what I'm saying? Okay, bye.
Mali niambia tu mwenyewe. Hao watu walipanga hizi vitu vibaya. Not knowing hii kitu ingerudi mbele. Sasa mimi nilikuwa nimelifisha. It was not even worth hiyo mzigo nilikuwa nimebeba. Unaona?
Yeah.
Sasa unaona? Unalifisha kitu cheap and then you end up getting
a loss.
Unaona?
So heri tu uamue na ufike safe.
This thing nimeona ni very
full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Who are you to judge me like say this one is too low. I feel like it's too low. Is it okay? Is it cute? Nah. Too low. Too low. I need to figure out something. But in the meantime, this is what we're working with. I feel like the second one is too low, but I don't know, honestly. Should I put them in one line? It look weird. We'll see about that. In the meantime, someone just arrived. It has been a hustle, y'all. I'll just tell you the story later. Let me just have my food first, and then we can talk. Y'all wanna see inside. Oh, Jesus Christ! I don't know if I wanna remove these things actually, or just wanna leave them there. Let me get you guys closer. So this is the freezer. Let's do a fridge. So this is the baby girl. She's a Vaughn. I don't know why it's not focusing. Come on, girl. Come on. Will you please? Yeah. So it's a Vaughn. It's a double door. I really don't know much about fridges, so I'm not gonna explain too much. Yeah, she's tall. Don't mind the mess down here. I was just unboxing of camera. She's tall, dark, and handsome. As you can see. Let's see her hot. Let's see how she walks. And this is the freezer part. At least it has so much room. Oh my god, I'm so... And then there's another space here. I don't even know what I'm going to put here. But you know what? God has been so faithful. Y'all are not going to have enough of me with the fridge content. Y'all are not ready. Oh, look at her. Is it her or him? Tell Doc and answer me to him. Now this one. The lower part. Oh my god. So this is where I'll be putting my whatever. I haven't taken this out. It's just new, like brand new. And then there's here. And then there's here. God damn it. Oh my god. And then there's so much storage. Ongalini, just, do you see what I'm saying? Oh child, I'm so blessed. Don't mind my dirty ass rag. I am blessed AF. So yeah, that has been her. And this is where she came from. There's a very huge box in my house that I don't know where I'm gonna take it, but it's alright. It's alright. So this is her. You know, I'm so happy. It still doesn't close faster because of there's this thing down here that I've not taken it off, and I'm not doing it right now. So yeah, that's it. Gorgeous girl, gorgeous handsome tall dark and handsome boy. This is the first item in the fridge after how many days? Oh, it has finished the whatever the period it's supposed to take to settle. So we have a first item. Yes. It's a sausage. That's the only thing in this fridge, guys. You know what? It's high time, since I have struggled and gotten the fridge. Y'all can just, try and get me some money to fill it up. Like, how do I have such a big, cute ass fridge with only one sausage inside? Like, y'all can do something as my subscribers. Sinajua, macheki mngangani tu mjaribu. Saa, thanks. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in like 2 days, I guess. Yeah, it's probably 2 days. She's not now. Someone's calling me, that's why I need to be quiet for. I don't even know if y'all can hear me to begin with. So I'm finally gonna get my hair done. Underneath this hat is very ugly wig lines or cornrows, if you may. I think the wig lines, and they're very ugly, and I really can't even take my hat off. So I'm gonna get my hair done. I haven't booked or planned anything. It's just in my head. Like, I am literally a walking. So I don't know what's gonna happen, because I might get to the salon and the person has a client. But also, I need to get my hair. Do you see that? Yeah, my nails as well. Ghetto. One has already broken. I don't know if you can see, it's slightly shorter than the rest. I need to do my toes as well. I just have a lot going on, and I don't know why I've just not been feeling like picking my camera. Honestly speaking, I've just not feeling like doing it. But today I was like, I should create content. Oh yeah, there's that. So I should create content, and the weather is not looking friendly. It's El Nino season. What do you expect? Anyway, let's go guys. That's enough rambling.